Good afternoon, everybody. Stephen from Break Free Homestead. Today, I'm sure you're watching this video because you're having issues with your GE dishwasher draining. First, I'm going to go through the drain from the inside and show you how to clear that out. Make sure there's no obstructions in there. Ours, that's not the issue because we've already done that. So we're going to trade out the drain pump real fast. The dishwashers are pretty simple. If you have a different model, it might be a little bit different, but the model we are working on today is the GDT605PFM0DS. First thing you're gonna do is just take out the racks. It's gonna make it a lot easier, and eventually if we pull this out, it's gonna be necessary. If you twist the nozzle, it comes off pretty easy. It's just about a quarter turn. Unscrew your main drain filter. And then you have 2 screws for the fine metal filter around the edge. And now inside here, there's 2 bolts. You probably need an extension on a socket to get in there. You just remove this out, clear out the bottom. There'll be some gunk in there, and get all that out. And then if there's no obstructions in there, it might not be an internal issue. What else you can do is go from the bottom of your sink, take the drain line, and some people like fish it out or snake it out. You can just use a vacuum, a wet vac, and suck it out. Make sure the water is actually coming through the pipe without any issues. So I've already cleaned mine out and established that this is not the issue. We've had the repair guy out here one time before, and he said that this model, the drain pumps go out quite often. I don't know if it's a manufacturer issue or not, but I didn't feel like having him come back out here to do that. So I went online and I got the part for about 40 bucks. So we're gonna do it ourselves. So we'll put this back together because I already tested. The water does flow through the line. All right, so we're gonna pull this whole unit out. We'll just undo our 2 screws under here, holding it to the countertop. I bought my pump kit off of genuinereplacementsparts.com. I'll put a link below. I'm not affiliated with them at all. This part number was 2373826, and like I said, it was about 40 bucks, which is a pretty good deal over having somebody else come in and, you know, charge you upwards of 150 bucks. All right, we're going to work on removing the drain pump right there. All you're going to have to do is remove the 2 clamps and then this electrical wire here. The way you do that, there's a little pressure sensor thing here, or pressure button. Push that out, push the wire towards your screwdriver, it'll come right out. This is what you have to push back to release that. Right here, there's a little hanger, and that goes on this white tab right here. We'll just do that after we get these hooked up. You can see the grommet right here. It's super easy. There's a slit in it. So you just push it all the way in until it fits in there. It's pretty foolproof. Just make sure they're tight enough. You don't want to come back in and remove the whole thing just because you didn't do it tight enough. The hanger in there. And then we'll slide our power in. One more time. Confirm your clamps are tight. Thanks everybody for watching. If you would consider subscribing and liking the video, it really helps out. I'm Steven with Break Free Homestead. I make tutorial videos, quick fixes like this, and we're changing our land into a homestead. Join our journey. If you have any questions about this installation, go down below, hit it in the comments, let me know. Thanks for watching, see you next time.